Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Due plus T, duty. K plus alls, calls. Beauty calls. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Art. Hi, folks. We're going to have a lot of fun in this half hour as we wrap up another great week here on Classic Concentration. The man on my left is our returning champion. Even though he's got one strike against him, he has managed to pick up over $14,000 in prizes, including a fantastic vacation at a Tampa spa and fitness resort. Let's welcome back Mark Widger.
How you doing, Alex?
Good luck to you today, man.
Thanks.
You're against a new lady. Joining us for the first time, Debbie Osborne. Hello, Debbie.
Hey.
Where are you from?
I'm from Winter Haven, Florida.
Really?
Yes, and I've waited 4 years to be on this show.
Why so long?
Well, I had a baby, I tried out, and then they called me to come back, and I had another baby 3 months ago. And he's so pretty. He's prettier than all the babies on the movies.
Really?
Except I'm sure yours is prettier.
Well, I don't know about that, but when you get finished with us here on the show, do you plan to go back home and maybe have another baby? No? I wondered if the two were tied in together.
I didn't plan to have this one, but God knew what he was doing.
Okay, good for you.
Glad
Nice
I did.
attitude. Take a look over here, and we will show you one of the prizes you're playing for in this first game.
Martin Lawrence Gallery's majestic limited edition serigraph, Distant Moon by Takara. It's numbered and hand-signed by the artist, furnished by Martin Lawrence Gallery. Alex.
And that beautiful piece of art is on the board, hiding behind number 9. Now, Debbie, you're going to get to select first, and in this game, since you've come this far west, I should tell you that the vacation is a little further west. We have a vacation in Hawaii. Now, you've got a lot of beautiful sunshine in Florida, but Hawaii is a different kind of sunshine.
I need a 5th honeymoon.
A 5th honeymoon?
Well, you should know, have a baby, have a honeymoon. Have you had yours yet?
No, I never thought of it that way.
Come on, Alex.
I think this lady's going to have more babies, folks.
Oh, no.
Pick 2 numbers, Deb.
All right, let's start with number 3 for my 3-month-old.
VCR.
Oh,
3
okay,
letters.
and 19.
19. His and her tennis wear. No match, so we go to Mark.
Okay, let's start off with number 1.
Print and display calculator.
Okay, how about number 22, please?
Wild card, so you're going to get that going into your prize column as soon as we show you where the natural match would have occurred, and it would have been at number 11. 2 panels in the first column, 1 in the second. Revealing kind of a mess.
Sure is.
Nothing makes sense at this early stage, so you pick again.
How about number 4, please?
Honolulu.
Let's try the match for that on number 18.
Red take. Debbie?
Okay, let's go for number 4. Oh,
That's
just
Honolulu.
saw that. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm going to get it at number 20.
No, you're not going to get it at number 20. You get a green take there. Mark.
Let's try for a match for that trip under number 10 or a wild card.
Gas barbecue.
How about number 19?
His and her tennis wear. No match. Debbie?
Okay, let's see number 16.
Chef's barbecue tools.
Number 2?
Honolulu. No match.
Number 4, please.
Mark's
And
about to
number
smile. There's a selection that brings a big smile to his face. Good match, Mark. Good match. Open it up, please. Quite often, those upper panels are not all that revealing.
Number
In this
14.
Case, it's hard to say. Man's gold watch.
That would be nice. Number 6.
Tennis server and rackets. Debbie.
Number 17?
Wild card for you.
Number 19?
19 is...
That was the take.
Oh, dear. And I was all set to pick one up and give it to you. His and her tennis wear. Where's the natural match? At number 12. All right, that prize goes up here and down here. 3 panels will open for Debbie. Pick again.
Number 24, please.
VCR.
And number 3.
VCR. Open it up. Pick again.
25, please.
Tennis server and rackets.
Was that at 14?
No, that's the man's gold watch. Mark?
All right, I think that matched that as number 6.
Yes.
And number 25.
Yes. Silver and the rackets. Giving Mark another look at the puzzle. Pick again.
How about number 15, please?
Artwork.
Number 13?
Nope. That's the barbecue tools. Debbie?
Okay, let's see number 9, please.
9 is artwork.
And number 15.
Is artwork. And there is still a wild card on the board, Debbie, but right now you might be able to solve this. I think most of the elements that are important are shown. Select again.
Number 16, please.
Chef's barbecue tools.
And number 13.
Chef's barbecue tools. This is a very important game for Mark, of course. If he loses, he leaves us. So he's got to win. Debbie can afford to lose a game and take a strike. Open the 2 panels.
Goody two-shoes? No.
Is it goody 2 shoes? No, it is not. Select again.
All right, let's see number 10.
Gas barbecue.
Oh, I need that. Number 7?
There's the wild card, keeping you alive a little bit longer. The other gas barbecue's at 21. And Mark thinks he can solve this puzzle. That'll put a little extra pressure on Debbie. Open it up. Select again, Debbie.
Okay, number 20.
Green take.
Number 18.
Oh, no. Mark?
Number 14, please.
Man's gold watch.
And number 5. Oh, I blew it. I blew it.
Mark, don't think of it that way. You didn't blow it because we had not revealed that other gold watch. So you had a choice of 3 squares, and you just happened to pick the wrong one. Debbie?
Number 23.
Man's gold watch.
Number 14 for the match.
Man's gold watch. That's good. Now, Debbie, I'm going to give you not advice, but I'm just going to point out the possibilities for you. As you know, there's a red take and a green take still remaining on the board. You might want to play for those in order to pick up some of Mark's prizes, including the Hawaiian holiday. We will open these 2 panels for you. It's your choice, of course. All right.
Okay. Number 8, please.
That's the green.
Okay. Is it 18?
Number 5, please.
5 says Mark.
And number 18.
18 says Mark. He's going to get both of the tapes. Here's the red one.
I want the VCR, please.
Give him the VCR. Now, open those 2 doors. Show him 8 and 20. That's the green. What do you want with that?
I'll take the man's watch.
Man's watch. Gold watch. Now, you have to solve the puzzle, Mark. Can you do it?
Is it goody goody gumdrop?
Is it goody goody gumdrop? No, it is not. Debbie.
Is it goody goody gumdrops?
Is it goody goody gumdrops? The arrows are pointing at the 2 drops. Come on, Debbie. Well, what goes around comes around.
G and the hood for good E, and G and another hood for goody gum drops.
Goody, goody gumdrops. Goody, goody for you. Oh, Mark, a heartbreak. It's amazing how things swung around at the very end. She had a shot, looked as if she had a lock on it. She made a mistake, and you made a mistake. But your mistake didn't cost you as much because you're going away with over $14,000 as the prize. So you take care. So long, Mark. In the car. Debbie's a winner. She's got something to show for it. What? Art?
Yes, indeed, Debbie. You've got a Chef's Barbecue Tools and a gas barbecue. A service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a gas barbecue or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise. his and her tennis wear. Sergio Tacchini's European design, his and her outfits. A choice of activewear, tennis wear, and shoes in the latest fabrics and colors furnished by Sergio Tacchini. And of course, the lovely artwork. A prize package totaling $2,007.
Just the beginning for Debbie. We'll find out if she can win a car when we come back. All right, Debbie's mom is in the audience, and she wants her to win a brand new car. It's going to be tough right now because this is Debbie's first shot at it, and we're going to have to deal with base time on the clock. Let's put the 15 squares into position, and the clock at 35 seconds. Good luck, Debbie. Off you go.
1, 3.
No.
5, 7,
No.
9, 2,
No.
4, 6,
No.
10, 6,
No.
4, 15,
No.
3, 15,
No. Yes.
13, 1,
No.
5, 13,
Yep.
14, 6, 10.
Well, you got to call out a lot of exciting numbers, didn't you? And you won over $2,000. That's some exciting numbers right there. And you have no strikes against you, so you've got at least 2 more games to play, unless you win the car. We'll be back. Thank you for staying with us. We have a new player to introduce. The man on my left, his name is Joe Coughlin. Did I pronounce it right?
That's right. That's right.
Okay, and where are you from, Joe?
I'm from Bakersfield, California.
Oh, what do you do down here?
I work for the phone company.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got a family?
A wife and 2 kids. Us.
2 kids?
My wife and I.
You and your wife are the 2 kids. Any dogs?
No dogs.
Because we had Lisa Lord on earlier this week, and she had 3 dogs.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah. A beagle named Boo Boo and 2 other strange animals. All right, if you guys are considering refurnishing, redoing your house or your apartment, this is the ideal prize.
This Whirlpool kitchen includes a side-by-side refrigerator with through-the-door ice and water dispensers, a dishwasher with clean touch console, in-the-door silverware basket, and a self-cleaning gas range with electronic ignition, lighted glass control panel, and lift-off cooktop for quick and easy cleanups, furnished by Whirlpool. And Klondike frozen desserts, taste you can sink your teeth into. Creamy ice cream bars, chocolate wafer ice cream sandwiches, and calorie-conscious light bars, furnished by Klondike. Alex?
Eat it quickly, Marjorie, eat it quickly. Let's show our players where you can find the complete kitchen. At number 1, $500 in the cash pot, 5 bonus seconds, a holiday in Costa Rica. And Joe says he really needs that complete kitchen because his wife just burned his down. How did she do that?
She was cooking some chicken, and she came in to just lay down for 10 minutes. And at 12:30, I woke up, and the house was full of smoke, and we had the fire trucks, the whole bit, so...
Well, then it's up to you to win that prize. We've got just the 1 wild card, so you make your selection right now. 2 numbers.
Okay, let's go for that kitchen. Number 19.
Diamond bracelet.
Should like that, too. Number 4.
Camping equipment. Debbie.
Number 7, please.
Golf clubs.
And number 21.
Green take, no match. Joe.
Let's try number 13.
Diamond bracelet.
Number 7.
Golf clubs, no match. Debbie.
Okay, let's try 19
Bracelet.
and 13.
Bracelet.
Yeah!
Open it up, please, for Debbie.
I need that. Number 10, please.
Mattress set.
Number 25.
Costa Rican resort vacation. Joe.
Ooh, Costa Rican resort vacation. Number 16.
5 bonus seconds.
Try number 10.
Mattress set. Debbie.
Let's try number 11.
Bonus seconds.
And number 16.
Bonus seconds. Swing them open, please. Select again.
Number 17, please.
Red take.
Number 21.
Green take. Gosh, brings back memories of that earlier game. Joe.
My memory's gone. Number 8.
Telephone and answering machine
I
unit.
think we've seen that. Number 2.
Wild card. The other phone and answering machine unit is on the board at number 3. So 3 panels, all in a row, opening up for you. The connected panels didn't reveal enough. Go again.
Number 9.
Golf clubs?
Oh, and I've seen those. Goodness gracious. Number 7.
Yes. 2 more panels in that same area. This is looking good for Joe.
The Bare Truth.
Is it the bare truth? No, it is not. So you get to pick again.
Number 23.
Costa Rican resort.
And number 25.
Costa Rican resort. Made the important match. Holiday goes up. 2 more panels open up to help him solve the puzzle. Select again, please, Joe.
Number 15.
Cash pot.
Have we seen that? Number 22.
Mattress set. No match. Perhaps one for Debbie.
Okay, let's try number 10
Mattress
and
set.
number 22.
That is a match. Goes up there with a diamond bracelet. Gives Debbie a chance to take the game. Can she do it? Pick again, Deb.
Okay, let's see what's under number 1.
Complete kitchen.
I knew that. 15.
Cash pot.
I knew that.
Joe.
Number 4.
Camping equipment.
And number 17.
Red take. Debbie.
12, please.
Camping equipment.
And number 4.
Camping equipment. Is this enough to do it? Let's take a look.
The bare truth?
Is it the bare truth? Joe went like this because that's exactly what he said a few minutes ago. You just forgot.
Oh.
Select again.
Okay, number 6, please.
Car sound system.
And number 24.
Green tape. No match. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Get set to ring in. We'll start revealing. Number 1, 5, 6, 14, 15, 17, 18, 20, 21, 24. Think of a synonym for a word both of you have given me.
The naked truth.
Joe did that in an unusual way, didn't he, folks? He shouted out the response and then he rang in. He says the naked truth, and he is right. Come on, Joe. That's all right. That was something. Go for it.
Well, I got the, and then I saw this fella, and I knew he didn't have any clothes on, but I thought he was bare. I saw the T column, so I knew it was true, and it took me a while. The naked truth.
You guys were both on the right track. You just didn't come up with the right word, naked. Okay, 1 strike only for you, Debbie. We'll see you in the next game. So long for now. Joe, let's hear about your prizes. You did most of the work in that game, Hart.
Joe, you have a phone and answering machine and golf club. Pin Seeker set of custom-made golf clubs and deluxe staff bag, including stainless steel woods with matching Radiosol irons furnished by Pin Seeker. And Joe, we're flying you to a Costa Rican resort. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles on Laxa Airlines of Costa Rica. You may enjoy gourmet food and friendly service furnished by Laxa. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Cariari Resort and Country Club, located in Costa Rica's picturesque Central Valley. This charming resort features golf, tennis, horseback riding, gyms, and gourmet food, furnished by Cariari Resort. Prizes totaling $3,099.
Great vacation in Costa Rica. You can go there and you and your wife can talk about her cooking. When we come back, we'll see if you can win a car also after this. Joe was just telling me that on the way down here this morning, he was trying to think of all kinds of schemes or systems that would help him remember things. But he says once you're up here in the hot seat and the pressure is on you, it doesn't really matter. Nothing helps. Forget them all. Just concentrate on these 15 numbered squares. You're going to be dealing with base time on the clock. 35 seconds, Joe. You'll have to be lucky, but good luck. Off you go.
8, 5.
Nope.
6, 3.
No.
4, 7.
No.
11, 10.
No.
11, 5.
Nope.
6, 14.
Nope.
7, 3.
Nope.
3, 8.
No.
11, 3.
Yes.
4, 9.
No.
No car today.
No car today, says Joe. Yeah, you're right.
That wasn't in the cards.
No car today, but you've got $3,099, including that holiday in Costa Rica. Break time for us. We'll be back after this.
Some of today's participants may receive Daisy Turbo Spa. Makes your bath an aerated whirlpool that soothes, refreshes you. Pamper yourself with the Daisy Turbo Spa. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in a moment.
We have it on very good authority, mainly because Joe told us that he's going to work on a new system so that if he gets to the winner's circle again, things will work out differently. Have a good weekend, folks. See you all on Monday.
This is Art James speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.